Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Otter AI, and it's pretty much awesome and interesting tool that actually help you as a meeting agent. So actually you don't need to take notes or the script anymore in your meeting. It will give you the transcript, it will automate it, it will give you some summaries about your meeting, it can add some action items so you can actually organize your meeting with your client and you can impress them with some major and core detail that you can miss. So this AI can actually make a highlighted summarize for your major changes or major points. Now from here I'm on Otter AI, so you can start for free. You can simply click on start for free, and then you can find something like there is a paid version, so you can get a trial of the paid version from here, and this is the free version that you can use without any type of hassle. So you can simply click on this get started button here. Now here you can create your account, so you can continue with your Google account or you can continue with Microsoft. So I'm going to continue with my Google account to sign up for a new account on Otter AI. So here it's loading. Here you can see I have just added it. I have created the account here. Now it will ask for the first name here, so I'm going to add my first name, and here is the last name. Now simply click on next button here. So from here you can find get automatic meeting notes, so you can join Otter by scheduling with the Zoom schedule or scheduled meeting in Google or Microsoft meeting, and you can integrate your calendar and also your workspace email. You can go with your own workspace in Google or Microsoft. So that's how you can just integrate or share the data between this platform, so you can get a strong platform where you can actually express your meeting. You can actually decorate your meeting in an exclusive way. So there is a problem that it sometimes stuck. Actually, I don't know if there's a technical issue, but you can actually delete all your tab, and again you can go to Otter AI and you can just go to this page again, and you can get that dashboard once you log in or sign up for your new account. But sometimes it asks for the email verification. Make sure that you have verified the email with that verification link that you have get on your email account or email inbox. Then it will ask for some question that in which department do you work. So like customer support, any type of thing you can add it. Like I'm going to add this, or now yes, done. And here the person is updated here, so you can see there's let me explain the dashboard really quick. And here you can find that here's the dashboard where you can actually get the home section. This is actually your home dashboard. Here is Otter AI chat, so where you can actually ask anything to Otter AI. This is actually the chat where you can get help from this Otter AI to manage your plan for your meeting. So from here you can find that with AutoChat, you can easily access crucial details from all your discussions about without the hassle of sifting through endless conversation threads. Just ask question like what was decided about pricing in last week's leadership meeting. So it actually can gather all the details about your meeting that you have saved or you have uploaded the data. So from here, for example, I have uploaded on data. Here's the meeting. So we can just record that meeting by this voice recorder that actually you have to allow the microphone. So here we can see it is just recording. So we will come back here after explaining something more. So I'm going to stop recording here, and it actually updating the conversation. So I'm going to add it. Here at the right side you can find meetings, so you can add your Google scheduled meetings, or Google, so you can get the scheduled meeting, or you can use Outlook. Also you can get your scheduled meeting there from there if you have added one. Now from here says calendar to enrich your meeting notes. So you can use any calendar, you can embed or you can insert any calendar from here. So I'm going with the Google Calendar here, so it can actually get the schedule plan for the meeting from my Google Calendar. So you have to actually add the schedule in Google Calendar so it can sense that timing from the Google Calendar. So here you can see it is just get sensing, and let me show you some action items. So here you can add some action item here, so you can add some task here that like employee empowerment. So this is actually a task here, so you can just select it, and here you can see the complete, it will go to a complete set here. So anything you can add here, so you can add the here your task, and from here it is connecting actually. So let it connect, and from here let me explain one more thing here. So search, where you can search for the conversation, peoples and channels and folders and time. So just like this you can do it, or also you can get some apps here that will actually help you in different types of section. You can integrate more apps from here, so show me the authorful CRM fields, or you can connect with all of them from here. Now like Slack, you can add your Slack account so you can manage your team or workspace with the Otter AI, and you can also add some sub stuff. So hub stuff here. Now the Zoom, you can add Zoom, the Dropbox, and you can add the Google Calendar and contacts if you want. So then you can find general section. Here is the general section where it all about your account, all about your meeting show, where you can change your name, your profile. So here is the meeting details and some plans here, and here is the apps that you can connect with. So it's taking too much time here. It could be a technical issue. So I hope that Otter AI will manage this or solve this issue as soon as possible. Now let me show you the channel. Here is the channel where you can actually create the channel by simply click on this plus icon. So I'm going to create a channel like meeting. Now you can invite others to channel if you want, so you can make it public or private. So you can just click channel here. So here you can see I have just created a channel or more channel here like a discussion. You can add their email address to add anyone to that channel here, so just like this. And here is the direct message where you can add anyone's email address here, so you can send the direct message to them. And here is the folder, so you can create the folder and categorize the meetings. So here is your meeting here, so I can actually add hashtag, and I can ask Otter that anything like tell me about the upcoming meeting. So you can ask for that, but actually I don't added any meeting schedule here, schedule any meeting on the Otter AI. So it actually can give me the details about that upcoming meeting actually. So you can see that yes, I don't see any information about upcoming meetings. So in your record conversation, so you have to record a conversation first. So for that you have to go to the home, and you have to simply click on record here, and you can find the guidelines here, so you can follow them, so you can easily create you can easily work with Otter AI. So I'm going to record again. Now here is the note, so I'm going to delete it, like not that actually. So I'm going to pause that, and from here here you can see it will immediately add the recording. So I'm going to talk about some recording like there will be a meeting in May 2nd. So the meeting is with the advisor of sorry, that actually not like this. So I'm going to not I'm going to add this. So here you can see that all of them are actually recorded here, the notes here. So from here, for example, I'm going to ask that recorder here. So I'm going to pause it right now. Now I'm going to actually make it like meeting about product launch. So here you can see I have just added this name here, like this. Now you can add your meeting conversation. You can actually record your plan, that what you are going to do in this meeting, what that meeting about, and when that meeting will be held. So I'm going to add it like, I'm going to make some schedule here, like new product launch meeting. It will be held in May 2nd, 2025. The time will be from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the location is conference room B or the Zoom meeting. So here is the attendees like Sarah Johnson, the marketing manager, David Lee, the product manager, Angel Torres, the sales director, Mark Chen, the operation head, and Emily Smith, the CEO of the company. Now we are going to talk about the new product launch and the campaign for that promotions, and we are going to launch that product in the 2026 1st January. So just like this, you can see I have just recorded it, so we can just stop the recording to save that recording. Here you can see the uploading the conversation, so it will actually upload the conversation that we can access with the Otter AI. So Otter AI actually give us all the information about this session here. So we are going to let me delete from here the note here, so where we can actually delete them, like simply we're going to delete the unusual conversation here, by simply click on this three dot button, and you can delete it from here. So just like this, and from here I'm going to delete it again. Now this is actually the exact that I have created, the transcribe actually. So where we can actually add some summary as the task here. So for example, I'm going to add some tasks that meet with the guest. Then we are going to add something like create presentation about the product and more. You can add some more text from here, or you can share it if you want. So you can share it with anyone through their Gmail, and here is the copy link, so you can use that link to get them to give them access. So here from here, for example, the meeting here. So here if I ask the Otter AI, you have to add some address and you have to call the author, and you can just ask anything about that meeting, like when the meeting will be held. As that, and let's see how it interact with ourselves here. That's actually for here it is. So it actually can get that chat section here, so you have to name that chat like meeting about product launch. So we have to explain that name here, like we are going to copy that from here, paste, and meeting about product launch. So we have to add that. Now let's see. Here you can see it has just give me the actual details. So first you have to go to the Otter AI chat. So first you have to go to the home, then you have to go to the Otter AI chat. So from home you can actually ask them from here, like I'm going to add like when so, or you can add give me the date of the meeting name here. So you can upload it, so it can actually give you the details for probably. So here you can see it is gathering the insights. So here you can see it has just give me the all of the detail about the meeting here, that actually I have added transcribe, and here is I have asked that who are the guests of meeting about product launch. So it has just give me all the guest name here and with their title and also the date here. So it's pretty much cool. So you have to use it with the professionally. Actually, if you want to use this, then you can use it every day, and you can learn a simple thing from here that can actually make your presentation professional. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.